It's not hard to take your outfits from zero to hero, but you do need to know a few simple styling tips, and today I'm sharing the best of them with you. Hi, I'm Leonie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing some tried and tested styling tips that will really transform any outfit and just give your outfits a little bit more of an elevated, expensive and more stylish look. Also, when you're watching this video, I am in the US. I'm obviously now filming it in New Zealand still, but I will be in the US for the entire month of December and some of January. So if you would like to follow what I'm up to, what I'd suggest you do is follow me over on LTK. I'm going to be posting really regularly when I'm in the US. So I'll leave a link to my LTK page in the description box below, and I would love for you to follow me over there. But for now, let's get on with some of these really easy styling tips that will elevate your looks. And it's not about spending more money, it's just about making what you already wear and own work a whole lot harder for you. So keep watching. Now first up, and this may sound a little simplistic, but definitely hear me out, and that is to style your clothes, not just wear them. And I've actually seen a lot of people talking about exactly this online recently, and it really does make a difference. And a lot of us tend to just wear our clothes, we'll put on a top and a skirt and do nothing else, and kind of wonder why we don't look particularly stylish. And the reason we don't is because we're not styling our outfits. We're missing that fundamental last and arguably the most important piece of the puzzle, is to add a little bit of personal style and a little bit of flair to your finished outfits. And that can be in the way of a statement trainer or shoe, or it could be adding a half tuck to your outfit just to create a little bit of interest. It could be rolling up your sleeves or cuffing your sleeves, or just adding a hat, adding accessories, just those final finishing touches that very much elevate any outfit. So think about what you could add to your outfit to give it a little bit more color, give it a little bit more interest. It can easily even be just some statement earrings, something that just gives your outfit a little bit more something. So it gives it a little bit more interest. So think about styling your outfits instead of just wearing your clothes. And that leads in really perfectly to putting the spotlight on accessories. And accessories that are unique to you really do add that personal touch to an outfit. And as I kind of touched on just now, it's things like earrings, necklaces, hats, sunglasses. I'm scratching my head here, but all of those accessories really do just add that finishing touch to an outfit. So think about adding something a little unique to you before you leave the house. Those accessories are the finishing pieces of the puzzle, so don't forget them when you're leaving home. And one of those key accessories in my next trick to elevating your style is to add a stylish bag, whether it's a purse or a crossbody bag, which is always a favorite of mine. In fact, let me show you my latest. Now, you've all seen my crossbody bag that looks almost identical to this, but it's actually a little sort of camera style purse. I couldn't help myself, this was on sale, and went and bought the fanny pack as well. And I love the idea of adding, let me show you, a statement handbag to any simple outfit, and it just creates a kind of little something that just gets noticed and creates interest and just elevates a very simple look. I'm just wearing a denim skirt and a simple white shirt, but adding a statement piece like this will always up the ante on an outfit. Obviously it has to be in your style, and this isn't going to suit everyone, but a statement piece in your style is going to knock it out of the park. And at this point, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to the team at Squarespace for sponsoring this portion of today's episode. Now, I have a Squarespace blog, and I'm a huge fan of Squarespace. And the reason for that is, and it may be a little bit of a surprise to you, I'm not overly tech savvy, but you don't need to be when it comes to Squarespace. And if for some reason you have not heard of Squarespace before, then they are the easiest and fastest way to build any sort of online presence. It's very logical to use the Squarespace platform. It's very easy to build one. There are some beautiful and really professional looking templates on offer. So you can choose a template and be up and running with your own website in a really short space of time. You can sell products, you can track your customers, you can send them emails, you can do everything from the one place, which makes Squarespace always my number one choice. Now, if you would like to launch yourself online, what I would suggest you do is whip on over to squarespace.com, take advantage of their free trial, and when you're ready to push play, simply use my unique URL, which is squarespace.com/The Style Insider, and my discount code, which is The Style Insider, and that will give you 10% off your first website or domain with Squarespace. So as I said, if you do have plans to create something amazing online, then Squarespace is the easiest way to do it. Now, one thing that always elevates an outfit is a long line coat, and the fact that they are trending now and it's the season for them makes it even easier to get your hands on one if you don't already own one. But certainly long coats are great. They do add that final layer. It doesn't matter what you wear underneath, you will look stylish and elevated with a long coat. Obviously, there are all sorts of options when it comes to outerwear, but if there is one that always creates the most stylish and effortless look, it has to be a long coat. They're super versatile, will make any outfit underneath look fab. So a long coat is definitely where it's at for looking stylish when it's cold out. Now, I touched on accessories earlier, but the devil really is in the detail when it comes to looking stylish. And things like your hair, your makeup, your nails, your shoes, those small details really do make a difference. Even adding a red lip to an outfit, like if I was wearing what I'm wearing now, which is something very plain and simple, adding a red lip and a long coat and some gorgeous heels would completely elevate an otherwise simple outfit. So don't disregard the importance of some of those really small details. They may seem small, but they do make a very big overall difference in the impact of your outfit. One of the most effective things that you can do to upgrade any outfit, and I should have done it today, is to add a belt. There are so many options when it comes to belts, and belts are like a kind of a finishing piece of the puzzle, and it makes me feel a little bit naked now that I'm talking about belts to elevate an outfit, but it really is that simple. Throw on a belt with some of your favorite outfits and they will just feel a whole lot more special and just that little bit more elevated. Now, one of the simplest styling tricks in the book is to add texture to your outfit. Now, this is especially helpful if you're wearing a single color, a monochrome outfit, or you're wearing a very minimalist style outfit. If you pair some different textures together, you will always elevate your look. And I don't know how many times I'm going to say elevate in this video. I'm going to try and stop, but it will always create an outfit that does just look a little more stylish and sophisticated. So think about adding some different textured pieces together, even if they are in the same color family. Mixing up the textures definitely creates a very stylish look. Another winning formula is to wear a matching set. Now, matching sets have been trending for the last couple of seasons and they don't seem to be going anywhere. So a matching set immediately looks pulled together. It looks like you've put a lot of thought into your outfit when you haven't. It just gives a cohesive, strong look. So think about buying pieces in sets. I've done that recently, and you get that versatility of being able to wear them as separates, but also at a moment's notice, throw them on as a set and have an outfit that just works and works really well. So matching sets are always a good idea in my book. I don't know about you guys, but if you are about to leave the house and you feel like something is missing, then what I do suggest is grabbing a very cool pair of sunglasses and adding that to your look. And usually what's missing from a look is just some interesting sunglasses, whether you decide to choose some sunglasses that match your handbag or your purse, or some interesting retro style shades, or I've just recently bought a pair of cool white shades, which I've been wearing back with some of my white tanks just to create a little bit more of a cohesive look. But think about adding that final, often overlooked piece of the puzzle with some really interesting sunglasses. They're also not going to break the bank, but there are some amazing styles that will up the ante on your outfit and give you that really stylish look without breaking the bank as well. And as I said, they are just that final piece of the puzzle. They're the piece that ices the donut, so to speak. Now, casually draping your jackets and coats and blazers over your shoulders and not putting your arms in them is a way to really elevate your looks. Now, this is something that I love doing. I know it's not for everyone, so let me know in the comments below if you like this look or not, but it tends to instantly give an outfit just a very chic look. So that is something that if you want to kind of just look a little stylish, it's an easy way to do it. When in doubt, I always say wear neutrals, whether it is your whites or your beiges, or your neutral may be black, or it may be navy, it may be browns and camels, whatever it is. If you're in doubt but you need to look good and you need to really present yourself strongly, then stick with neutrals. It's much easier, it creates a seamless outfit, and it just means that you're not having to invest so much time in sort of building an outfit of different colors and pieces to kind of create that really chic look. So if you're not sure, just go for all neutrals, and in particular any kind of monochrome look will always look elevated too, so stick with neutrals and all in the same color family. I always say that shoes can make or break an outfit, and I really do swear by this. I think that shoes can make all the difference. They create a great foundation for a very simple outfit. So regardless of what your style is or your personal preference, they make a little bit of a style statement, because regardless of what else you're wearing, what else your outfit looks like, if you get your shoes right, you get the rest of your outfit right. And generally what I also say too is build your outfits from the shoes up. When you get your shoes right, then it's much easier to build an outfit. What I do often find is women will put together a great outfit and don't have the shoes to pull it off. And so then they'll throw on a classic black pair or something that is kind of almost there. And that, in my mind, always tends to sort of kill a great outfit. So think about your shoes, and I would go as far as saying think about them first and build your outfits around your shoes. And how you tuck in your tops also makes a difference. And what I always suggest is to never do a complete tuck. So, actually there's a caveat there. The only time I would suggest doing an absolute tuck of a shirt or a knit is if you're wearing very high-waisted trousers. They look great with a full tuck. Otherwise, I'd suggest a simple half tuck or a front tuck. This tends to look a little bit more effortless and just a little bit more relaxed, and kind of creates more of a seamless outfit. Having everything tucked in and buttoned up just tends to look a little bit more predictable and a little less fashion. So think about relaxing your outfits a little bit with those half tucks or a front tuck just to create a better look. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, I'd love you to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Oh, and definitely give me a follow over on LTK. As I said, I will leave a link in the description box below, but yeah, give me a follow there and you can keep up to date with what I'm doing while I am in the US. But thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye for now.